Hello, guys. Today we are briefly looking at the concept and syntax of if statement in C++. The concept of if statement is very simple. We use if statement when we need to perform a certain action only if a certain condition is met or satisfied. For example, you run a grocery store and you decided to give a 10% discount for purchases over 1,000 rupees. In that case, you will have to calculate the discount only if a purchase is made over 1,000 rupees. Now, let us look into the syntax of if statement. First, let us remove this sample code here. For writing this code, we need three variables, and I am declaring those variables as float, not integers, because price can have decimal points, so that I am declaring them as float. So float, first variable will be purchase amount. Second variable would be discount. And the third one will be amount payable. Okay, now we have declared our variables. Now moving on to the body of if statement. So first we have to give a prompt to enter the amount of purchase. So cout, enter the amount, and end that line of code with a semicolon. Then now we have to take the amount into our program. So C in purchase amount. Okay, so now we are going to start our if statement. If, then parenthesis, purchase amount greater than or equal to 1,000, then start a curly bracket and close it. And in between the curly bracket, discount is equal to purchase amount into 10%, that is 0.10. Now price payable or amount payable is equal to purchase amount minus discount. Okay, now we have to print it out in a structured manner. So cout, first we have to mention the purchase amount. A space, then purchase amount, then again a comma and a space, discount, discount, then let's give a column here so it will look nicer. Then discount, and next amount payable, amount payable. So here also we can give a comma and a space so that it looks nicer. Okay, here also a space and a colon. Then our value for the amount payable, amount payable, this one. Okay, so now we have written our code. Now let's test it. So it's compiling. Okay, our code works.